Hi, this is Valerie from the customer support team here in iGMS, and today we'll show you how to use Help Desk. If you're just starting using iGMS or want to know more about iGMS features, the Help Desk is the exact place where you can find the answers on all your questions regarding our product. You can see that all articles have titles related to the tools and tasks in iGMS. If you just started exploring iGMS, we highly recommend diving into the onboarding category, which will walk you through the basic setup. As you can see, there is a brief explanation of the category under every title, which makes the navigation easy and clear. You can quickly find the information you're interested in by clicking on the category or typing the keywords into the search bar. Let's say we want to know how to set up message automation. I type in the word message into the search bar and see that information in a drop-down menu. Once I found the guide, I can just click on it to see the content. By the way, when you open a guide, you can easily switch to another category using the vertically posed menu on the right. As an alternative, I can click on the onboarding category and find this information as well. Another example. Let's say I want to know how to invite a cleaner. My first option is to go to the team management category and search for this information, or to save my time, I can type in the keywords invite a cleaner and choose the guide I am interested in. Isn't that easy?